What them boy they do? I interview people if you don't even know nothing about bomb buckle at some fest. You should even in a some fest. You should even have a media pass. And these are the things that get me mad. How them boy they get work in a media house for interview people if you don't know nothing. If you don't know nothing about the business. If you don't know nothing about the show where you're there. How you are interview people or you run media house. What are the requirements for you to be a media person where you go interview people? Where you do that job like that? Where you do that job like that? I embarrass Marshall and Tommy embarrass you know, and them never deliberately do it, you know. They just ask you one logical question where people would know. Now, if you are an interviewer and a media person and you're going to be working at some fest, at least go on your phone, idiot, do the pot boy, look a shit house, and go do some research on some fest. At the 30th anniversary, the 30th year. So you know must go study from before you get big idiot boy. Like seriously. Where you do I interview people? Where you do I interview people if you don't know nothing? Dear boss, no, talk the truth. What them they doing in media and I walk out. That's why when him go carnival I pay about him and him interview because I know about them. That's why when him go burn a boy show about him and alone him interview. That's why when him used to the youth viewer that be about him and him interview. So I don't get it. Green Marshall, them embarrass him. Research before you go work. You think, say, you got, alright, make we talk about people where them say shake it then, when in media. You think you can go up on Anthony Miller show and them man don't know everything about you? And have had some problem where you don't want to talk about them and they bring up? Because you have to be professional. Them boy I use them bottom and get the work them. I don't know nothing about the work them. You know, can still go give your bottom and load the work. Go and go give your bottom and leave the entertainment alone. Because you don't know nothing. How embarrassing that is from big TV. You have a press pass. You don't know when some fest start. You don't know who. You can't name an artist who did it on the first some fest. You can't name the artist who did the most some fest. You don't know nothing. What you are doing there? You have to get a general ticket and go in.